This float value can only contain these many significant digits because this float value only has or only requires 4 bytes of memory. A float value only requires 4 bytes of memory. It only takes up 4 bytes of memory on your computer. If you were to put this value inside of a file, it would only take 4 megabytes of bytes of memory on that file. A double requires twice as much memory. A double requires 8 bytes of memory, and a decimal requires 128 bits divided by 8. I can't do math anymore.
You're failing epically. That's okay. Continue.
Yeah, whatever that value is. Decimal, I believe it contains 8 bytes, or 16 bytes of memory. Sorry, coffee. So yeah, we have an example of 3 types that all contain twice as much memory as the type above them. So the reason you might want to choose a float, double, or decimal depends on the requirements of the software you are writing. We are not going to be really getting into the specifics of performance or other sorts of concerns that you will run into when you have large amounts of applications, but I wanted to point out that that is the difference. They require different amounts of memory in order to work. So we have floats, doubles, and decimals, and the only difference is how much memory they take up and their precision.